Don't miss Dick Clark's New Year's Rockin' Eve with Ryan Seacrest. Harvey Weinstein's attempt to have the criminal charges he is facing for allegedly sexually assaulting 2 women dismissed has been rejected. On Thursday, the disgraced producer argued in front of a New York judge that prosecutorial misconduct required dismissal. However, the judge privately told attorneys at a hearing that the case would continue. Weinstein is facing 5 counts of rape and sexual assault. The mogul's attorney Ben Brafman has been building a case on what he calls a deeply flawed indictment that charges have been brought upon by political pressure in the Me Too climate. He specifically argued that the Manhattan DA failed to turn over exculpatory evidence, including witnesses and communications that would show consensual relationships with the accusers. Brafman is prepared to enter into evidence numerous emails to Weinstein from women who accused him of sexual misconduct, expressing endearments after the alleged incidents occurred. In October, a count against the fallen producer was tossed out after testimony contradicting an accuser's account was not passed along by the New York Police Department to prosecutors. New York Supreme Court Justice James Burke rejected the contention that the grand jury proceeding was flawed and found that there is no basis for the defendant's claim of prosecutorial or law enforcement misconduct in the proceedings. Burke will not only reject the dismissal bid, but is also denying Brafman's request for an evidentiary hearing to examine the issue. The next phase of pretrial proceedings could see a battle between prosecutors and the defense over the potential for trial testimony from other women who have publicly accused Weinstein of misconduct. After today's hearing, Brafman said, "We are obviously disappointed by the court's decision to deny our motion to dismiss the indictment. Judge Burke has, however, ruled, and we must accept his ruling. Nothing in the court's ruling, however, removes the flawed theory of this case that we intend to vigorously defend at trial, where we are confident that Mr. Weinstein will be completely exonerated." Meanwhile, in attendance at Thursday's hearing were actresses Marissa Tomei, Amber Tamblyn and Kathy Najimy, as well as Time's Up President Lisa Borders, all clad in Time's Up t-shirts. This morning, we showed up in criminal court to witness Harvey Weinstein and his case not be dismissed. "It's a small victory," wrote Tamblyn in a tweet. She added, "But there's a long way to go. We'll be there again on March 7th and look forward to seeing him prosecuted to the full extent of the law." And in a group statement from Time's Up, the Legal Defense Fund, which offers legal services to survivors of sexual harassment and assault, the organization said, "Today, we bore witness to the first steps toward justice in a New York courtroom. Together, we remain in solidarity with survivors everywhere. We are relieved that Harvey Weinstein failed in his efforts to avoid accountability for his crimes. We look forward to seeing justice served and seeing Harvey Weinstein prosecuted to the full extent of the law." Weinstein's next hearing is March 7th. To read more on the story, head to thr.com. For the Hollywood Reporter News, I'm Lindsay Rodriguez.